Lesson 2-6, Example 1. Our objective here is to learn to solve whole number subtraction equations. And when we looked at a whole number addition equations, when we were solving that, we used subtraction to do the as an inverse operation to addition. So we use subtraction to undo or do the opposite of addition. Now we have a subtraction operation. We need to do the inverse of subtraction, so the opposite of subtraction, which would be addition. So here we have this example. Variable z minus 3 equals 12. So we want to think, what would z have to be if we took 3 away from it and ended up with 12? Well, most likely you can think, well, that's 15. 15 minus 3 is going to be 12. But let's see if we can prove that also, keeping in mind that this equal sign is like the balance, and we have to keep things balanced on both sides. So I need to get rid of this minus 3 here. I want to get z just by itself on the left-hand side of the equal sign. So if taking away 3, if I add 3 in, that is going to undo this subtraction. Take 3 away, add 3 in, which is minus 3 plus 3 is 0, so I'm just left with z. Well, if I do it to the left-hand side, I need to do it to the right-hand side also to keep things balanced. So 12 plus 3 is 15. My equal sign still stays the same, comes right down, and z equals 15, proving that what that variable is for that solution. Let's take a look at another problem. Here we have 78 equals s minus 15, and I want to know what s equals, what s represents. So if I'm taking 15 away from s, I end up with 78. So I need to know what s is. Well, as I have subtraction, I'm going to do the inverse operation, which is addition. So I'm going to add 15 things. I'm going to add 15 to this side, and if I do it to the one side, I do it to the other. So I'm going to add 15 over here to keep that in balance. Well, minus 15 plus 15, those kind of cancel each other out. I'm just left with s. And I'm adding 78 plus 15, which is 93. So s equals 93. So let's double check that here. I'm going to take this and put it back in to this problem. So 78 equals, question mark, 93 minus 15. So let's see. So 93 minus 15, 8 and 78, which is equal to that. So I've now double checked my problem. So prove again that this is the correct solution. Let's take a look at one more. Here we have y minus 23 equals 39. So I want to find out what the value of y is in this particular equation. What would make this equation correct or true? So I'm taking away 23 things, so I'm going to add in 23 to this side. So I'm just getting the variable by itself. And if I do it to one side, I'm going to do it to the other to keep my balance. So I end up with y on this side equals 62. I'll do my double check here. If y equals 62, I'm going to put it back in for y. So 62 minus 23, does that equal 39? So 62 minus 23. And it does equal 39. So yes, that is a solution for that particular problem.